Hello friends, you're welcome to my channel. I am Vivian, and today I want to show you how you can make your own face shield. So this is just a DIY face shield. You can do yours. It's very simple. So if you are new to this channel, I say a very big welcome to you. Just hit that subscribe button and join this family. Now, to make our face shield, these are the items we'll be needing. You need a pair of glasses. I've removed the lens. I don't need them. Then you need a PVC A4 sheet. Okay, this is a PVC A4 sheet. You can see it. You also need an A4 paper. You need a scissors, a razor blade, a rounded object, just any rounded objects, a ruler, and a marker. So I'll set all this aside and we'll get started. Now I would mark on my paper because I don't want to mark on the A4 sheet, on the PVC sheet. So I'm marking on the paper. Okay, so I'm just making curves at the four edges of my paper, just like you can see. So just make curves at the edges. Then I'll measure 2 inches from the edge of my paper. So I'll mark at 2 inches. This is it. Then from this side I'll mark 1 inch. Okay, so I need 1 inch from this side and 2 inches from this other side. Then I'll do the same thing on this side. So let me just mark 1 inch. So I'll mark 1 inch here, then 2 inches. Okay, 2 inches from this other side, and I have it there. Now I want to have another dot, just ½ inch from the first one. So I have 2 dots there, ½ inch from each other. And also I'm also marking ½ inch here. So I have 2 dots, ½ inch from each other. Okay, this is it. Now I would draw a line, just ½ inch line, just ½ inch from the dots. So you can see this. I'll do same thing on this side, just ½ inch from the dots, and I have it there. So next thing to do is to get your PVC sheet. So I'll place my PVC sheet on it like this. Okay, so this is it. Then I would cut. I want to cut out the curves I've made at the edges, so I can use my scissors or I can use razor blade. But when you're using razor blade, be mindful of your surface. So you can place this on a glass surface, okay, on a tile. So I'm placing it on a tile surface so that by the time I cut with my razor blade, I won't ruin my surface. I won't ruin my table and my tablecloth. So let me use my scissors to cut out these edges. So I'm cutting out the edges. I'll do this for the 4 sides. So this is it, just cutting out. So I'm just cutting out the edges because I don't need the sharp edge. Okay, I don't need that sharp edge. And then I have it here. This is it. Okay, just trimming it a little bit to have a smooth edge. So I have trimmed out the sharp edges, and this is what I have. Now I'll take my razor blade and I'll just cut through this ½ inch line. Just cut through the lines like this. Okay, So do same to these ones, just cutting through the lines. Yes, and I have it there. So I have cut through the lines on my PVC sheet. So I'll take my pair of glasses and pass the handle of the glass through the line I have cut. So this is what I'm doing. So just watch it carefully. I'm passing the handle, and I'll do that to this other side. I'll do same to this other side, just passing it through the cuts. Okay, this can be a little bit tricky, but just carefully you will get it. Okay, so I have fixed it, and here it is. So I'll just carefully fix the glasses. Just carefully fix it, and here it is. My face shield is ready. Very simple to make, very simple. So you can see this is very simple. Look at it, and beautiful too. Okay, so you can see it's my face shield. You can make this too. It is very simple. Now if you want to, add a little decoration to it, you want to make it look good a little bit, you can add a button. Okay, you can just add the button, just apply gum on the button and you fix it there. You can use any color of button, and when you put this color of button, makes it looks like the ones we see the ones that are sold. So this is it. Okay, so it is very simple to make, and you can wear it. This is it for protective measures. Okay, so you can see it. This is it. So I want to try it on. Here it is. Here it is. You can just adjust it, and so you can see. So I hope you love this. This is very simple to make. So I would like you to try yours. You can try this. Okay, so please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, hit on that red icon. Okay, just kindly support me by subscribing to my channel, and also like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Okay, so you can also clean your face shield. You can clean it with a disinfectant wipe. You can clean it so you can see. Then you can fold it. If you don't want to wear it on, you can fold it and put it into your bag. You can see. You can fold it and it will still be okay. Okay, you can see this. This is nice. Then when you want to put it on again, you just open it up and you put it on. So please like my video. Okay, give this video a like. Yes, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.